I am so sorry, guys, for one specific reason. I have to record Dungeon Quest Noob to Pro Part 6 all over again because my narration thingy was off. But yeah, we are in Underworld now, and I didn't beat it, but I did get my daily reward. Oh, cosmetics. Oh gosh, unicorn onesie. That's actually good. And flowers. Dude, chicken onesie with lunar blade isn't even that good. Like, I tried that combo on my main. It's not even that good. Moment of truth. What do we get? What do we get? I got... What's that blue thing? Oh! Wait a second now. Isn't that a warrior skill? Wait, what level is that? Oh my gosh, it's a warrior skill. Oh my gosh, what is this? I know it's a mage skill. This is obviously it. Yeah. Whenever you see like a blue thing in like a hell themed dungeon, it's obviously a mage skill. But that's really cool. Let's go over and test this thing out. Okay, dude. Oh my gosh, so many people have like underworld armor. I used to have like spare underworld armor on my account. I think I actually still do. I mean, no one said trading isn't allowed. So like, do I go to the novice dummies? Do I go to these nerds? Q. Die. No, these dummies are just broken. Go to the advanced. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I do like, how much damage? That doesn't show the stupid damage. Does this show? That actually shows. So that does like 8 million damage. Alright. Do I read or you trade me or no? Guys, carry! This is gonna be the easiest no in the history of no's. Oh, no, that guy's a 75 number. Oh, he's a noob. Yeah, you're right. I'm not your level. You carry, please. Please carry me, dude. That's all I got. That's all I got, bro. That's all I got. You carry me. Carry me right now. Please. Oh, he's hiding. Okay, yeah, I get it. If I was a higher level player, I'd just go to lobby 2. Is there anyone doing Underworld right now? That's the question. If there's anyone doing Underworld, then that'd be really cool. Samurai. There's Samurai Canals, no Underworld, a bunch of orbitals, Desert Temple, Winter. Desert Temple and Winter are not gonna help me at all. But maybe like 5 likes if I should just grind for a cosmetic on this account. Oh wait, I forgot. I already have one. But I just kind of want another one. I'm greedy, I know. Well, join if you want. Let me just flex my cosmetic. Yeah, Bunny Knight. Bro, let me flex my Bunny Knight on him. Yeah, how do you feel, bro? How do you feel, bro? I got a Bunny Knight. Yeah, I bet you don't. Do you have the Bunny Knight? No. It's a legendary cosmetic. Take that, nerd. Take that. I earned this cosmetic fairly from the Easter event. That's how cool I am. I know. I'm a bunny. This guy actually looks sick with these sword dagger thingies. Alright, is anyone joining me? Oh, we got 83. You know what? Let's do it. Let's duo. I almost beat the dungeon today. I got to like the final boss. Yeah, I know. That's how cool I am. Yeah, but in the last part we got to Underworld. Oh no, I had to delete that part, right? Yeah, this is part 6. This is supposed to be part 7, but like I already got to Underworld in part 6, so I almost beat it. I haven't beaten Underworld yet. It's a pretty tough challenge if you're like a level 81. This guy's a level 83, so like, oh dude, you only got 6k gold. I feel bad. Imagine not having like 800 million. I wonder how I got that, huh? Sorry. Yeah, I got that like when I started, like before I knew I was going to do this Noob to Pro challenge. Also, I'm really sorry that the first 2 episodes, like I turned on the Dungeon Quest music, so like, why did you start? We can't do it. What are you talking about? As long as Bob the Builder says we can do stuff, of course we can. Idiot. Oh, never mind. I guess we can't. Oh my gosh. Bob, you let us down. If This is hardcore. You spawn up here. Oh my gosh. The creator is so mean. And I don't even get speed skills. I cannot wait until freaking Samurai Palace. Oh, no, I said freaking. Don't worry. I didn't say that other word that, like, people don't like. Yeah, we want to be family friendly here. Totally. Yeah. Oh gosh. IRL, like, you know. Alright. Oh yes! Heals! Good boy! Wait. You're a warrior. How are you doing damage? Okay, this other skill I have is not doing me that good. Let me just take that out and, like, put this back in. Q. Yeah. Die. Ugh. I don't think people use first person anymore, but I don't care, honestly. I'm using it. But yeah. You wanna go? You wanna go, bro? Ugh. Oh, take my swords. Take my sword, bro. Why am I not using shift lock? I'm so stupid. Die. Die! Yeah, that's what I thought. How is he not dead there? Take your shots. Mages. Ha! Noobs. Dude, you're using a Pirate Island skill. Please. Die. Oh, you suck, bro. You suck. Just get out of here. No one likes you. No one likes you, dude. Oh. You need to calm down. You're being too loud. Alright. Now we got this, man. You take care of him. I'll take care of these nerds. They're just standing still. Oh, never mind. Never mind. They ain't standing still. Yeah, hi. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry about before when I was, like, accusing you. Can I just take out this guy with my sword? That looks so embarrassing. Oh, I accidentally sworded him, like, with the golden sword thing. Wait, are you trying to get that kill without me getting in on that? Yeah. Let me get some damage there. Damage. Trademark that. Trademark! Alright. Dodge those. Kill those guys. Okay, yeah, we're definitely not gonna beat it this round, but, like, hey, at least we tried. It's an XP, experience. There's 2 times XP. That makes it, like, super helpful. I'm almost, like, halfway there. I'm halfway there. Oh, Willow on a train. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I made it. Willow on a train. Just, yeah, it's in my weird piggy songs. That's the playlist, so go look at it. Die! I also have a channel trailer now for people who haven't subscribed, so yeah, if you haven't subscribed, go look at that channel. I think it's only available on, like, TV, because, like, YouTube took, like, inspiration from, like, Netflix, or Netflix took inspiration from YouTube. God flippers, dude. I almost said something else, but then, you know, the flippers gotta save it. Oh yeah, I'm still Flamingo sad from when my alt account was, like, or I mean, I had to play my alt account. This guy, we're here with the, what is his name? The Chewbacca dude. No, not him. What should I call this guy? We need boss names. For now, I'm gonna call him Trevor. Yeah, this guy's name is Trevor from now on. Hey, what's up, Trevor? How is it going? Oh gosh, I actually need to run. Oh god! Yeah, dodge those. Dude, how does that man keep dying? Okay, shut up. I know I keep dying, but, like, just don't talk about that. Just, like, focus on, like, him dying and just call him a noob in the chat, not me. Dude, how? Yeah, dude, I'm doing so much worse than, like, the last time I played this. Like, the other 2 times I played this dungeon, I got to at least the moose man, or the room after him. Run. Haha, noob. No. Oh gosh, the blood minions are in rage mode. Oh gosh, no, get out of here. No, we can't have blood minions in rage mode. Blood minions in rage mode is, like, really bad. Just saying. No. How? That was, like, so. I hate this game. No, I like this game. But, like, you know. Yeah, you know. Hopefully. Run. Do your thing. Run. Thank you. Stay right here. Yeah, thanks. No, he's gonna do the thing. Okay, we're safe for, like, 2 seconds. No, not you guys. No. Run. Die. No one likes you. No. Dude, you got this boss is so stupid. I hate him so much. He's not hard, but like he's kind of hard. I don't know a better way to describe that. Die, please. Die, please. Not dying. I'm saying, please die. Yes, he died. Take that, noob. Oh gosh, he's still tracing me. Are you kidding me? Ha! Sorry, I was trying to do the real good boy thing. I can't get my voice down that low. Like ha! No. Gosh, that actually just hurts my throat whenever I scream like that. Dude, you're an underworld. You have a legendary from King's Castle. I have like 4 of those. Also, why aren't you using underworld daggers? Like, you're just bad if you're not using an underworld sword. Let me just finish off these guys with my sword. And make them look stupid because no one uses swords anymore. Die. Die. Yes. Alright. Are we gonna get a moose guy? Hopefully we got a moose. His name, the guy's name is Melvin the Moose. Moose! Oh gosh, no. Die. We support watermelon. No! 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 I'm so good at this game, obviously. Like, I'm like a god tier player. Let me get that kill. Yeah, no! I was like, yeah, no. Fiddlesticks. Oh. No, wait, what the flippers do? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, we're getting the moose this round. Moose, give me to the moose. The moose. Give me the moose. No, idiot, you have to die. I hate this guy so much. No! Die, please. Thank you. No. Four. Alright, long story short, we got some people in our game, so we're gonna start it, and we're gonna see if we can win. We can win! Yeah, man! Win. Come on. Please. We have to win. Breathes deeply. Yeah, hopefully we win this, but I kind of have to, like, skip forward to, like, when we die, because I can only record for 15 minutes, and that's the cool part. No! Idiot! We're gonna lose like 10 seconds, and every second is valuable in Dungeon Quest. Dude, you start it when we get at the gate. What have you done? You know the funny thing I just realized? The level 90 in our game is just still AFK. Oh my gosh. There's no way we're gonna win now, because like, he takes up like so much of like the boss's health. Obviously, he just has to do... I thought he was doing the lines! Oh my gosh, yeah. This is a challenge. I'm gonna have to get some trades, and I'm going to need to, like, get some Robux for, like, some daily rewards. I'm gonna have to get some daily reward action going on here. Please! Oh my gosh. Alright. So what I need to do is I need to buy a bunch of daily rewards, and I need to get myself some armor. Or I need to get some trades. So let's go back to the lobby and get some trades. Killer Shark Halloween shirt. Limited edition. Going off sale in 1 hour. So buy it while you still can. Oh wait, never mind. We got another deal going on over here. Accept. Alright. Let's see. Legendary. I'm going to get the legendary for the purple helmet. Dude, for the helmet. No, the helmet. No. Stupid. Oh my gosh. What is this thing called? The time loss. Dude, my gosh. Dude, this idiot is so stupid. He just kind of got scammed. No problem. You want to see what he gave me? He gave me this. He gave me all of this stuff. Now I have a better helmet. Oh my gosh. Okay, the video is almost over. I have to go, but he also gave me this, so that's really cool. Alright, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.